Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn that how we can connect to a Linux server with the username and password. For that we need one Linux server. I have already created one Linux server in the AWS cloud. This is the Linux server. First we need to connect to this Linux server with the PEM file. We are going to connect to this Linux server now. Click on this checkbox, click on connect, and this is the command to connect to a Linux server with the PEM file. I am going to copy this command. I am going to use git bash to connect to the Linux server. Paste that command and click on enter. I am going to clear the screen. Now we are successfully connected to the Linux server with the PEM file. Now we are going to create the user. To connect to a Linux server with the username and password, we need to create the user and the password for that user. To create the user, we need to use user add command. User add command required sudo privileges. For that, sudo user add Chandra. Now we have created the user successfully. We need to create the password for this user. For that we need to use passwd command. Passwd command also required sudo privileges. For that we are using the sudo passwd username Chandra. Now I am going to create the password. Now we can able to create the password for the Chandra user successfully. Now we have to enable the password authentication in SSHD config file. This file is available in SSH in etc folder. To edit that file, we are going to use VI editor. For this also we need sudo privileges. Sudo vi /etc sshd_config. This is the file path. We have to this is how the file look like. First we have to come down. We have to change this no as yes. In VI, if you want to come to the insert mode, you need to press I. Now the file was in insert mode. We have to change this no as yes. Password authentication yes. Now we have to close this file. For that we need to come to the command mode. You need to press escape :WQ write and quit. Press enter. I am going to clear the screen. Now we have to restart the SSHD service because we have modified the SSHD config file. To restart this service, I am going to use systemctl command. Systemctl restart SSHD. This is the service name. We are going to use sudo because this command required sudo privileges. Press enter. Now we can able to restart the service successfully. I am going to exit. So now we can connect to this Linux server with the username and password. For this, we need the server IP address first. This is the server public IP address. I am going to copy this IP address. I am going to come to the git bash again. To connect to the Linux server with the username and password, we need to execute this command SSH Chandra username. This is my username. Just now I have created in the Linux server. Chandra @ and the IP address. IP address. I have copied this IP address and paste it here and press enter and yes. Now we have to enter the password. I am going to entering my password. Press enter. Now we can able to connect to this Linux server with the username and password successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.